More than 40 million Americans are waiting to learn if President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan will survive a Supreme Court challenge. Hundreds rallied outside of the high court yesterday, urging the justices to uphold this program. However, during arguments, conservative justices expressed deep concerns about the plan. Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court with more on the story. And Jan, based on what we're hearing some of the, what we've heard hearing some of the justices say, this loan forgiveness program does not look so good to survive the challenge.
It was a tough day, I think, for the White House yesterday, Gayle. I mean, those conservatives, they were skeptical that President Biden has this power to single-handedly forgive upwards of $500 billion in student loans. That's up to 43 million people who could get some kind of loan forgiveness, 95% of all people with student loans. And, you know, as Chief Justice John Roberts said, when you're talking that kind of money that affects that many Americans, most people would think that's something for Congress to act on. Now, on the flip side, the liberal justices did try to argue that this 2003 law gave the administration power to act during national emergencies like COVID. But still, I mean, those conservatives are still in a clear 6-3 majority. So, like I said, it was a tough day. But, you know, I think there was a wrinkle. And so the administration still does have some hope. And that focused on whether the challengers, these 6 Republican-led states and 2 borrowers, have cleared this procedural hurdle to even bring the case in the first place. Now, 2 of the conservative justices, Brett Kavanaugh and Amy Coney Barrett, they both raised questions about that. And I thought both of them were at times kind of hard to read. But we will know by the end of June. That's when the court is expected to make this decision. And in the meantime, this entire loan forgiveness program is on hold, as are the payments. Student loan payments also on hold until after a decision in this case. Vlad?
All right, Jan, to be continued. Thank you very much.